Del here again with still another product review. These are called mint chews. And the reason they caught my eye is sometimes people with stomach aches will take peppermint to kind of alleviate the stomach ache. Now this doesn't advertise with that in mind, but as far as the nutritional facts, we're looking at a bunch of zeros. Bunch of zeros. So there's a little bit of sugar. So let's just see what these, I already know what they're going to taste like, but let's just try one out. This is what it looks like, a kind of a roundish item here. And these might take a while. Actually, yeah, I can taste the peppermint now.
Is it chewy?
And it feels like, well, if I bite into it, it's going to be like a gummy, chewy thing. So I guess that's why they call them mint chews. So I guess I can bite into it and chew it up. And this is the peppermint flavor. So who knows? They don't taste too bad. And, you know, if you like peppermint, or even if you buy into the idea about, like, you like things chewable, and this might be for you. And there appear to be a whole bunch of them in here. I'd say, let's see, maybe about 20 of them. So it's quite a few in here. What they are. And I don't know if they disappear when you chew them, or if you get down and there's a gum there that you chew on for a while. But again, I suspect that this peppermint might alleviate a stomach ailment. So here it is, mint chews. Do it yourself, Del. Thumb up and share. And thank you for your kind attention. Adios.